for Anonymous, and we do have Anonymous on the line. Let me not waste any more time. Welcoming Anonymous to the show. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, Couscous. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you, my queen.
Hi.
Anonymous, wait. Before we continue, let me give you the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respect for language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do agree.
We are ready. We are listening. What's going on?
I don't know where to start. But I'm in a relationship for 8 years with this guy.
Mm-hmm.
We're not married. We don't have kids also.
Mm-hmm.
So the guy is driving me crazy, like really.
Why is he
So,
driving you crazy? Why is he driving you crazy, Anonymous? Tell us.
He's got this secret that he did, like,
A secret.
yeah. But I'm not sure if many ladies they know this secret.
Okay.
So, this guy has got a lunch bar.
A what?
A lunch bar.
Oh,
lunch
I know
bar.
what a lunch bar is. Let me
What's
educate
that?
you people.
Let's go.
Pelatina, sibonile.
Yes.
Ithini konje? Oh, sibonile. Ingoma yami.
Oh,
Okay.
what's a lunch bar?
Lunch bar is
Yes.
usually they do it in jail. Was he in jail?
Come again?
Has he ever been in jail?
I'm not sure because it's very secretive. Like, I don't know
Okay.
anything about this guy, but
Let me explain
I
there.
really love him. I really love him.
But you've been with him for 8 years, he said.
Yeah.
And he's always
I've
had the
been-
lunch bar.
We've been together for 8 years. So
And-
my problem is, I don't know his family, but he does know my family.
Wait.
So-
Calling a lunch
Calling a
bar.
lunch bar.
Hey, Mara,
Now
now
He
we're
wants to
anonymous.
marry me.
Hey,
Wait.
Anonymous.
After 8 years, he wants to marry you.
Yeah.
We want to discuss the lunch bar thing. Hold on. Did he have lunch bar from the day you met him?
Yes, since from day one.
Okay. So why is it a problem now?
No, the thing is, like, he's not honest right now. Like, I think he's cheating from me. Because,
Now,
Guys,
now
yeah,
we need to find out what the
Okay.
lunch
What
bar
is a lunch
in my
bar?
view, I don't know. At the rate Anonymous akhuluma ngayo ngathi naye akazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. But the lunch bar is something that they do at jail. They put beads
yeah.
around the peninsula,
Okay.
and it gives it that crunchy.
Oh, that look. Just like the chocolate.
That's just like the chocolate. Yes, not my peanut.
So it's brown and then it
then
just looks
it's-
like it's studded.
it's got yes,
like it's studded,
exactly.
just like the
Yabona?
condom.
Exactly.
It's got a rib effect. Like
Yes.
the-
Yes.
Oh, yo.
He lunch bar bafaka beads.
Okay.
And it gives a
Yes,
great
'cause,
sensation
yeah.
when you are being penetrated.
Jeez.
Oh.
Okay, so Miss relax.
Yo, it's driving me
Imnandi ne?
imnandi.
Yo,
like,
Tommy.
really.
Anonymous Mara.
Angifuni nokuyeka, like,
I'm
really.
telling
to be
you.
honest.
Oh, Anonymous, I'm with you. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
Is this
die.
inserted?
Inserted, they do it themselves. They operate themselves in jail with a razor, and then they insert my beads. And the more beads you have, the more sensation it gives to the other person.
So then when you're not erect, what happens?
It's still lunch bar, but it's a melted lunch bar.
Okay.
Yes. Mara, maite frizochino. Yo.
Okay, so
So me.
okay.
That's why other guys are repeat offenders. Yes?
Yeah.
They just can't wait to go back.
Can we focus, guys? Whoa.
Oh, it went over my head.
Whoa. Can we
Anonymous.
focus,
Yeah, okay.
please?
Yeah.
So Anonymous is caught between
Yes.
the great sex and the
so
great
my
sensation.
problem
Yes.
is, like, often ngishada this guy, and then I feel like he's not being honest with me. So I wanna first know if family yakhe at first before we start doing anything over. So like, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Yeah, like he's cheating on me and he's not being honest, and he says he wants to marry me because already now it's ready. So I'm the one, and said, please let's be honest first. Yeah. So I want to know if can I marry this guy or not.
Okay. For 8 years, you haven't met a single person wakubo?
No, like I only know one brother only.
Okay. Yeah, that's weird. And you've never been to...
No.
They could have all passed away.
So like when I ask about his family, he says soon I will meet. But when? I want to know when. Maybe I'm marrying a stranger or whatsoever. I wanna marry someone that is being honest to me.
Let's be honest, Anonymous. You know, you spoke about this guy, and the first thing you said didn't have anything to do with relationships, but it had everything to do with pleasure.
Yes.
No matter what this guy does to you, the lunch bar will always open locked doors. Because even if you leave or he leaves, he will always have his thing. He'll always be able to sexually unlock you.
But he's very supportive, like, towards everything.
How so yamthanda manje? Because you didn't say he was supportive and everything. Now all of a sudden he's supportive.
Yeah.
So stick up for him. What else do you love about him? He's supportive. He's loving.
It's like he's giving me something that I've never experienced.
He's emotionally giving you something you've never experienced.
Yeah, emotionally, physically, like everything. Like I'm really lutho.
Okay, but then Anonymous, that's a big contradiction when you say emotionally, physically, he gives me everything. I do not lack anything. As far as
not lacking anything. Yeah.
Okay, so the only doubts are that you don't know his family.
Yeah.
And then if he wants to lobola you, who's gonna be in part of his delegation?
It's gonna be his brother, and it's impossible. I have to know the uncles, parents, like every family member. I have to know.
Not everybody has brothers and uncles.
Yeah, I know, but it's suspicious if you say you've got only one brother. Then where's the rest of the family?
Does he have tattoos?
No, he doesn't have tattoos. Oh.
And have you ever asked him where he got his lunch bag from?
Good question, sir.
Yes.
Good question.
Because that could change everything. Because
He doesn't want to tell me. Like, honestly.
Okay, because
I don't
mostly
know.
it's in jail. But
So
there
I
are
feel
people
like it's very secretive.
Yeah, it's very
Okay,
secretive.
but there are people
who can do it outside for the fun of it. But it's a jail thing.
How many guys have you seen with the lunch bar?
Two. Yeah.
And they both have been in prison.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, maybe even, hey guys out there, if you guys know any other people, because I mean there's those people that love piercing.
Sure.
Like the big piercings and tattoos and all those things that practice those kind of things. You know, I don't mean to discriminate, but most of the time it's people from other cultures, you know, so it might not be necessarily a jail thing. Maybe it could be something that he saw from a friend and he said, what is that? And the guy says, yo, lento le ihlanyisa amantombazana.
Yeah.
You know, and then that is funa ukwazi vele ukuthi yenziwa kuphi. So
we're coming back now. We're going for a lunch break, but it's a mid-morning break.
Obvious.
Sure. 44 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got Anonymous on the line. And if you are joining us right now, let me quickly give us a summary so we're all on the same page. So Anonymous has been with a boyfriend for about 8 years now. She loves him and enjoys the intimacy, enjoys the sex with him because of his lunch bar penis. First time I ever hear about it, but thank you so much to Somizi for educating us. However, he wants to marry her, but she seems a bit doubtful because she doesn't know his family. He has cheated on her in the past. She adds that he is a great partner, but she's just not sure if she should move forward and build something with this man. Le lunch bar. Okay,
No,
we've
we
lost
learn new things every
Anonymous.
Yeah.
You know, but just to add, there's
Sure.
also ladies that have piercings down
Yes.
down there as
Absolutely.
well.
Mm.
You know,
Absolutely.
so there's a whole world out there that we still need to explore.
Mm.
Guys, I did not know about this lunch bar thing.
Me
You wanna
too.
you wanna try it?
Do I want to peer? Like,
Puts.
is it inserting of beads?
I'm a beat, yeah.
I mean, there's those things that if it gives women more, it can give my partner more pleasure. Then,
Mm.
as a guy, you always think about it and say, why not?
Ngizakwenza.
Hayi wena. Ufundele phi?
Ubani?
Yeah. Wena ungaqeda i-lunch bar before.
I don't know why Som looks like he has a lunch bar.
No way! Are you mad?
What do you mean, no way? Why wouldn't you? Because you said it gives great sensation.
Yes.
You're not a pleaser.
I started from the bottom.
Okay.
Now we're here.
I'm a bottom.
Oh.
And you need
Okay.
how naked.
Oh, all right.
He looking at why slow? Why you so slow?
No, but
If
she's back.
Anony.
Anonymous.
Not
Hi.
there we go.
Yes,
Thanks,
girl.
Naked. Thank you.
So what advice do you want, my love, Konchi Foot?
I want to know if should I marry this guy or what must I do? Because really, I feel like I don't want to be in love with someone that is being dishonest.
Yeah. Follow your
Yeah,
gut, yeah.
so-
Follow your gut, my love.
So I want to know if should I go ahead or should I stay like this forever? Maybe?
Okay. I honestly think stay like this forever.
Okay.
If you still want to be with him, because the only thing that comes through is the sex. Nothing
Yes.
else. Nothing else.
Yes.
And is not honest. You don't know anything about him besides the lunch bar. So I would suggest keep it like that. Or if you feel like you're wasting your time, you need more, then go find
Yes.
it elsewhere. But my worry is that for 8 years you've been having sensational sex.
Imagine.
Like,
Very hurtful.
I just wish this guy recorded this song, would be playing it.
Yeah.
What's the song?
Yeah,
You,
the song that describes your situation
nah.
is
Yes.
is by PM. It goes like this: Good Ramna Hadi Gija Jam, Gija Jam. Well, as you know, Pastor M, Pastor M, Mama's Pastor M, Clary Slicer.
Pastor M.
Oh,
Is-
guys, young bore.
Anonymous, do you know Pastor
Yeah.
M?
Hi, my cat.
Do you know Pastor M?
No.
So, Mizzy, we don't go to the same clubs. Oh, okay. That you go to.
But
Oh,
that's-
Pastor M from the East Rand.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
yes, that one.
Oh,
No, I don't know Pastor M.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Anonymous, keep it that way. Don't change anything.
but I feel her pain because even though she wants to keep it that way, sometimes as a human being, you want that next step.
yes.
And then
Yeah.
when your partner is unable to give you that next step because when you want that, now you want total security where you can trust him, where you have faith, where you know that if you at work, he's not giving out pieces of the bar to other women, all those kind of things. You know what I mean?
I'm afraid, yeah.
Yeah. So you do want that part. So Anonymous,
Yes.
remember when we were growing up in the 80s, there was that game show.
Yeah.
Imali noma ibhokisi. So
Yeah.
on this side, ibhokisi is sex.
Okay.
And then on the other side, imali on this side means it's your happiness for you to start afresh.
Yeah.
So ibhokisi is sex. And then ngapha imali. So anonymous, imali noma ibhokisi. What are you choosing?
It's a tough question.
You will miss the sex no matter what happens, because this is probably the only guy that you've ever met that has this kind of thing on his penis. And it'll probably be the only guy that you ever will meet that has inserted beads in his penis. So you will forever think about his penis. No man, even if you meet a billionaire next.
Yeah. It won't be worth it.
Well. No, all I'm saying is you will. So anonymous, this is where you decide, Hori, is your life about a beaded penis? Or is your life about living life the way that you want to live the life? Because you are surrendering to this penis. You are bowing down to this penis. You are on your knees for this penis. So is this penis going to dictate the rest of your life for you? Should I repeat that, Anonymous? Is this penis going to dictate the rest of your life for you?
And it won't.
It won't. Are you sure?
I'm sure it won't. I'm sure.
Do you believe her so?
No, I don't. I don't. 8 years later, she's still there.
But you understand why?
No, I do.
I do understand.
That thing can whip you. That you can. It can whip you.
Yeah, guys, I'm going under. Just guys, tell us where we can do this.
No,
procedure,
I just
please.
got a text now.
Talk to us.
So one is the text, one is the tweet. The text says, "This thing, there are guys who do the operation outside, like salons that."
Yes, like thing. The piercing places.
Yes. And then someone tweeted that. So means the guy that did your tattoo way back, he does lunch bar operations as well.
Wow.
Jeez.
Wow.
In East End.
Listen to Anonymous.
East Rand. Why did I leave the East Rand? Kube manje.
Okay, Anonymous, we're going to pay the bills. We're going to allow South Africa to give you advice as well. But you've definitely made me look at this chocolate differently after today. I know, Anonymous.
Okay, good.
Okay, I hope you get the advice you need from South Africa.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And you know this chocolate, it's not just chocolate. When now it comes into
In the
lunch bag. There's also the different.
Oh,
color
the white
chocolate. Yeah, Zabo Coots.
Genuine, hold up for us. All right, hold up. Let's get the calls rolling in. We did start a bit late for Anonymous, so it's only fair to bring you on. 086,02160. Let's head on over to Vusi out in Soweto. Good morning, Vusi. How are you?
Hey, hi, cool. How's it?
Lunch bad, dog.
Hey, dog. Hey, I've been wanting it. So I have few friends there, which are doctors. So I've been asking. They don't do it medically, like. So that's why I'm afraid to do it. Maybe in such a dodgy ways or places. But I've been wanting it.
Where did you learn about it?
Yeah.
Where did you first see it?
I have friends. So this is where I'm going. I have friends who are dealing with this type of women, like our Anonymous. So one question that we forgot to ask about to Anonymous: what type of her work is she doing?
Why? What does that have to do with anything?
Because these guys they do this for a living. They say all these mamas for a living because they know but that's get into funny like so it's another level of pleasure. So if ever I had a choice get it, maybe, but in a good way. I was gonna get it, bruh. But hey, Anonymous, we wanted to know what are you doing for a living? Because I'm so certain if this guy is not working, he's working.
Okay, so you think Uguti he's just working her for that money, and when he's cheating, obviously, other women will know as well, and he's basically like a Casanova kind of thing.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
okay.
that's what
Thank
I'm
you,
saying.
Vusi. Thank you, Vusi.
I appreciate you, Vusi. Also, that excitement in his voice. Hey, let's hear the voice notes. Whew.
I wonder wabone kanjani.
Also,
Yeah.
Good morning, Breaker.
morning.
Ask the main team.
Good morning.
Sumizi and make it right, respectively. This one, concentrate on your future. You get a lunch bar. There's a lot of people that have their different fantasies. Find another fantasy that will work with you or for you. Yekele lunch bar because lunch bar is ukusebenzela. If lunch bar is serious, let him show his seriousness. Let him send those buffaloes at home and ask the right questions and get the right addresses so that he can send the right people to show his seriousness. If he's not, concentrate on your future. You're getting a lunch bar.
Amen.
Yeah.
Morning, family. Anonymous, this is very simple. Just get the right guy, take him there to the saloon, and they can transform it to be a lunch bar. Then
No.
live a nice life.
Men are afraid to go get this thing. They are afraid.
Scary.
Morning, Metro team.
Good morning.
I hope you guys are well.
Good, thank you.
And I think you should leave things as they are, as Somizi said. Do not marry this guy. We understand how lunch by you washing, but don't marry him.
Hayi nekhethi. It's a life and kicking. And yasevasithi vele. I got friends engihamba nabo. Into kubaningi. Engibuya nabo endaweni. They got that thing. Ukuthi nje ay mina ngidlalele fair. I don't want to feel my thing.
What does he mean? He has a lot of friends that have had the procedure.
In varsity.
In varsity. Yo, there you are sending your kids to varsity to get an education. And babuyanga lunch bar.
No good.
Is this a hill? Is this a hill we're ending on? Headlines.
Yes. Danko.